sie, was der eigentliche Inhalt ist.
Il y a deux tiers qui est utile, le reste c'est plus pour n'importe qui, mais certainement pas. Et avec ce fingerprint là, ça c'est effectivement la technique.
Afternoon again. As Eric said yesterday, we were talking a little bit about the background and how semantic can be created, and that's about what AI1 is talking out there. And our partner company, our joint venture company, Brainup, is there too. It's Michael Krause. He's right there in the beginning, in the front. If you have questions about what I'm going to explain to you, please visit us after that at the booth over there. Yesterday already I started with the message, rather to find, it's the question how to ask. And I'll try to show you what the impact is if you ask the right question for the right data. And so that's really what Brainup is all about. Brainup says data intelligence. So that it brings intelligence to the data, but also it's a prompter, it's a souffleur, en France, which is helping you to announce the right question. You can have any simple database. If you ask the right question, you get a perfect answer. So it's much more about how can we bring customers, when they enter your website or database or whatever, that they ask the right question for the right data. That's really what it's all about. Now, Brainup has built up a toolbox and some products. So if you're looking for toolboxes, how to create it on your own business, or you may take the finished products they have already and just implement them. So there are two choices you have. It's all about the question, and the question, if we talk in text, is all about words. Easy. If you have the right words, which describe on a minimal number of words the content you're looking for, you will have a perfect hit. And one of the biggest challenges is if somebody, for example, is reading a CV from a person, and then he's trying to match that CV to another person. What would we do usually? Well, we read it, we maybe take out some of the keywords from the CV, we add on some words we think they are important, and we go to Google or some other search engines. And immediately, we have a large number of results. Why? Because we fuzzied the search, because we added on words which are not in the content, which are not. Now what Brainup is helping you is to classify that document automatically with the inherent information there and help you with this fingerprint to tell you what's really there. One of the applications they offer is a trend analysis. So in Zurich, for example, 50 or 500 articles, you may want to check out all of them, so you make sure that this is really what's there. We did a test ourselves many times. There's a professor, he has a publication, and so we took the abstract and we tried to keyword the abstract ourselves. So we took the most, we thought, the most wanted words out of this abstract. We went to Google and we had about 800 or 900 hits. We knew it's only published twice two sources. And so what we did, we crawled the 800 results, and we found out, well, Google was even right. There were only two sources out of the 800, but there were also the copies and the links of the links and the links of the links. They were all displayed too. Why should Google know which one is the real source? Now, if we went with this approach, we had only two results at all. And so we could prove that, while both were right, Google was a little bit fuzzy on the result, and this one was very exact on the result. And it's really amazing. You go in, you take any kind of a content of the net, you make your fingerprint, and with the fingerprint you get a very, very precise answer whether this content is somewhere else posted in a very high semantic closeness. It doesn't have to be, I mean, if there is an identical one, well, you will find it. And if there are a close one or a about similar one, you know, it's the content which is showing the the similarity, not the syntax. So you improve your search. That's another way of using the technology. The technology or the products will show you how things are connected, what is belonging to what, how is it rated. We call it lightweight ontology. It's the automatic ontology, the minimal ontology a system can build up by itself. After that, if you have ongoing processes, you may use this information to feed your ontology, improve it, change it, make it dynamic, or you feed it for your later process, finding decisions, push any processes, make decisions. So it could be either a product, or it could be a part of the process chain. Thank you. If you'd like to see more, you're happily welcome out there at the booth. I or myself will be out there, and if you have some questions right now, I'm happy to answer them right now.